Balkan region is again high on the agenda. Anyway, there is neither organization nor a country which is always doing well or producing positive impact. There are rise and falls, but crises can make us stronger and likewise more present.
I believe that if there is a conviction, goodwill, and hard work, the results will be favorable for your country and for the alliance as a whole. And I can only, as a true friend of your country, extend my cordial wishes for success in this journey.
Ne ogleda golemo imanje za difuzija neevroatlantskih vrednosti. Enostavno boste zatvorili premog. I pokraj naši kontakti, Borbora je zajedno predpostavljam žolt, ne znam da li se uštemo na to. Tako da ne možemo da uspostavimo kontakt. I nemamo feedback nikad.
It is no secret that NATO, like individual allies, state and its citizens, because NATO decisions